Hello, friends. Welcome to my story. I am happy today.
It is a special day.
It is Christmas time. Snow falls outside. The snow is white and soft. Lights shine bright. Houses look pretty and warm. A boy lives here. His name is Tom. He is 9 years old. He lives in a small house with a big window. Tom looks out. He sees the snow. He smiles big. Tom has a family. He has a mother and a father. He has a little sister. Her name is Lily. She is 5 years old. They have a big Christmas tree. The tree is tall and green. It has red balls that shine. It has yellow stars that twinkle. It has blue lights that blink. Tom loves the tree. "This is beautiful," he says. "Do you have a Christmas tree? Tell me in the comments." Tom wears a red hat. The hat is soft with a white ball on top. His coat is blue and warm. His boots are black and shiny. Tom plays near the tree. He runs fast. He jumps high. He laughs loud. "This is fun," he says. He has a red ball. It is soft. He kicks it. The ball rolls far. Tom runs after it. The snow crunches under his boots. Do you play in the snow? What do you do? Tell me. Tom plays more. He kicks the ball again. It goes far away. He chases it. He jumps again. The tree shines bright. The snow falls softly. Tom is very happy. But then he stops. He sits down under the tree. Oh no! His face turns red. His breath is short. He looks tired. What happens to Tom? Let's find out together, friends. Tom sits under the Christmas tree. He looks at the white snow. The snow is cold. Tom feels tired. Why am I so tired? He asks himself. He doesn't know the answer. He rubs his eyes with his hands. He yawns big. His mouth opens wide. I want to play more, he says. But he can't move. His legs feel heavy. His arms feel weak. His head feels funny and dizzy. Do you ever feel tired? What do you do? Tell me in the comments. Tom thinks hard. He looks at the Christmas tree. The red balls shine. The yellow stars twinkle. The blue lights blink. He says, maybe I need candy. He stands up slowly. His legs shake a little. He walks to the house. The door is red. He opens it. The house feels warm. He sees a wooden table. On the table, there is candy. The candy is red and sweet. Tom takes one piece. He eats it. Yum. This is good, he says. He eats another piece. He smiles. But wait. He still feels tired. Candy doesn't help me, he says sadly. Tom sits on a brown chair. He takes 2 more candies. He eats them quickly. Oh no! His stomach starts to hurt. He holds his belly with both hands. Ouch! This hurts, he says. He lies down on the cold floor. He closes his eyes. What can I do now? He asks. The wind blows outside. The snow falls more. Tom hears a soft sound. It is strange. He opens his eyes. He looks out the window. The snow moves. Something is there. It is big and white. What is it? Let's wait and see, friends. Tom stands up again. His legs shake more. He walks to the big window. He looks hard. The snow moves a lot. He sees a tall shape. It has a hat. Tom feels curious. What is that? He asks. He puts on his blue coat. He puts on his black boots. He opens the red door. Cold air hits his face. He steps outside. The snow is deep. His boots sink into it. He walks slowly. The shape is close now. It is big and white. Tom stops. His heart beats fast. What will happen next? Let's find out. Tom looks at the tall shape. It is a snowman. The snowman is very big. It stands tall in the snow. It has a black hat. The hat looks old and funny. It has an orange nose. The nose is bright and round. Its eyes are made of coal. The eyes are black and shiny. Its mouth is a straight line. Tom is surprised. His mouth opens wide. "Who are you?" he asks with a small voice. The snowman moves. It starts to talk. Its voice is deep. "I am a magic snowman," it says. Tom jumps back. "Magic," he says loudly. The snowman nods its head.
Yes.
"I can help you," it says with a smile. Tom feels happy. "Help me," he says quickly. The snowman looks at him. Its coal eyes shine bright. "You look tired," it says. Tom nods his head. "Yes, I am tired," he says. His voice is soft. The snowman knows everything. "I know why," it says slowly. Tom waits. He listens carefully. "You need water," the snowman tells him. Tom feels confused. "Water?" he asks. He doesn't like water. He likes candy more. The snowman nods again.
Yes.
"Water is good. It makes you strong. Drink 2 cups every day," it says clearly. Tom thinks a lot.
He looks at the snowman.
The black hat moves a little in the wind. The orange nose shines bright. "2 cups?" he asks again. The snowman answers. "Yes. Water is clear. Water is clean. It helps your body. You should try it." Tom is not sure. "But I ate candy," he says. The snowman laughs. Its deep voice echoes. "Candy is sweet, but water is better for you," it says. Tom looks at the house. He sees the warm light from the window. He makes a decision. "Okay, I will try," he says. Tom walks back to the house. The snow is deep. His boots are wet and cold. He opens the red door. The house feels warm again. He finds a blue cup. The cup is small and shiny. He walks to the silver sink. He turns the tap. Water flows out. It is clear and cold. He fills the cup. He carries it outside. The snowman waits for him. Tom stands close to it. "Here is the water," he says. The snowman nods its head. "Drink it now," it says with a kind voice. Tom lifts the blue cup. He takes 1 small sip. The water is cold. It feels good in his mouth. He takes more sips. 2 sips. 3 sips. The cup is half full now. He stops for a moment. He waits. He feels something new. His legs feel light. His head feels clear. "I feel better," he says with a big smile. The snowman smiles too. "Good job. Drink more," it says. Tom drinks again. He finishes the cup. The cup is empty. He stands up tall. He jumps high. He runs fast. "I feel strong," he shouts. The snowman laughs. "Water works. You are strong now," it says happily. Tom runs to the magic snowman. He jumps high into the air. The snow flies around him. He kicks the red ball. The ball goes far away. "Water helps me," he says with joy. The snowman nods its head. "Drink water every day," it says slowly. Tom smiles big. "I will drink water every day," he promises. He feels happy. He feels strong. The Christmas tree shines bright. The blue lights blink.
The snow falls softly.
Tom plays more. He laughs loud. He learns a big lesson. Water gives him energy. Friends, this is the end of the story. Tom is strong now. The magic snowman helps him a lot. Water is good for Tom. It can help you too. Drink 2 cups of water every day. You will feel strong. You will feel happy. Do you drink water? Try it today. Tell me in the comments. Say, I drink water. Do you ever feel tired? What do you do? I want to know. Watch more stories. Learn more healthy tips. Stay healthy, my friends.
Goodbye. See you next time.
Drink water. Be happy. Try water today. Leave a comment. Watch more healthy tips.